Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to another Sydney Grace Sunday. I don't even know how many we have now. But we're gonna do this look right here, and I'm gonna show you how you can take the scary fritziness, if you thought it was scary, and add it to other colors to come up with something not so scary. All right? Yeah, because all of these shades, they were meant to go together and lift each other and be a blessing to your eyeballs. All right? If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I've already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I set it with the Fit Me powder because today we are going to be using the deeper palette, and I have no clue what I'm going to do. I sort of want to do some mixing so you can see how different things play together for a whole new look. Like all of these shades can be mixed with Irish Heat. But first thing we'll do is come up here and come into my Savior. And I'm just going to bring that in the transition right here. I have played with this shade quite a bit. In fact, some days I just use the two versions of that shade for my eye. And then that's it. Okay, so there we go. I'm just tapping this across my transition area. I also want to tell you a story. This was hilarious. So do you guys remember when Lisa Eldridge, you guys know she's my when Lisa brought out her eyeshadows, do you remember? Okay, I bought this one. This one really is my favorite. Okay, but the reason that I bought this first is because of that shade. Online, this looks, well, I looked at it and I went, oh my gosh, people are going to think because I love Lisa so much that I copied her and that this shade right here is like So Mary. I don't know why I'm saying So Mary. That was never the one I was worried about. It was my Buttercup. I thought it was going to look like my Buttercup and then I wouldn't be able to change that shade, you know, because I had already told Mel what I was going to make my Buttercup someday, and it would have crushed me to have to change that. So yeah, but they're nothing alike. So back to what I was saying before I so rudely interrupted myself. And they're going to think I copied this when I never even knew these were in the works or anything. And then this comes out and my palette isn't due to be released for a while. We're still working on the colors, you know, getting them right. And I thought, wonderful. So I ordered this palette first, and as soon as I opened it, I knew. I think we have to play over here because otherwise I'm just doing the same thing I would do in the light palette, right? Because all of the shimmers and pops of color are the same. I'm taking Pita and relaxing my eye. I'm just going to come up here and tap. And get just a little bit of family. Just deepening out here with, I like it. I like it a lot. They just gradually deepen each other up, creating dimension without even trying. Okay? We're not even trying. We're just patting them on top of each other. I'm going to take Cinnamon Girl and come right here. I think I want to take Emmy After 60 out of this palette. And I'm going to go across the top of my eye with this to deepen up. I'm going to set my eye back with this shade. So now I have all the shades that were changed in the deeper palette on my eye. I'm going to take Irish Heat and put it on my lid, all right? And then I'm going to take Fritziness and spot it and just show you how that can change it up. I'm just going to come all the way over. Because you could, as I've showed you before, take Irish Heat, start it out down here, and then blend it up to kind of look like it is right now with these other mats in very little time. And then you can just switch it up by using any of the other pops of color. So, but today we're going to use Fritziness. I'm just going to grab that shade and pop it right here in the middle to lighten it up and really bring out the blue-green. I love that. I'm just taking this little brush and making Irish Heat, button it right into Fritziness there. On the inside, on the outside. I love to see what you guys are doing with this palette. Here's a couple that came in after yesterday's video. This is my sissy, aka Little Bit. I forgot what she told me she had on. I think Irish Heat, Pop Nongi, maybe Little Bit, and then Andy of the Fritzy family. She has on High School BFF. I brought all these colored liners in to have fun with. So I'm going to take this one here that's kind of a blue-greeny, or maybe not. Let's see. Maybe we'll take... Look what's happening. If you know, let me know. I think this is happening because these liners are old. And I think what's happened is the color part of this is shrinking up and coming away from the wood. And that's why I can do that. Let me know if I'm right. Like, yo, Mr. White, science.
Mr. White.
No, no, seriously, if you know the answer to that, let me know. I like that one an awful lot too. What shall we do? Let's bring that right out here. And then what if we use the purple one under it? The purple one is not wanting to glide on my eyes anymore, but I assure you at one time it did. All right, just to be the same, I'm going to bring that under here. And we might have to ditch the purple liner. It might just be too old now. Let's take Shy Guy and come under or on top of it. Under here. And then we'll use the green one in the waterline. Let me show you the colors in case you have something in your collection. And I just put the black up there to make my lash line look thicker. Now I'm going to take my brush and I cleaned it off and I'm going to dip into Pop Nongi and bring it right there in the corner. There we go. So now I'm going to zoom through to music, the rest of my makeup, because some of you really like it. And then I'll do my hair up in my scarf, and then I will be back. If you've made it this far, then we're going to have a giveaway. I have a deep and a light, and I'm going to be giving them away to 2 winners. The first one I draw will be the light palette, and the second one will be the dark palette. And all you have to do to be entered is tell me what shade are you dying to use in the palette. Okay, so tell me that, and you'll be entered to win. I will do the drawing, and you probably will get this before it's back in stock. I don't know. Oh, also I need to say that I can't comment below. I'll give you hearts to know that I saw and read the comment, but you know why, right? Because I'm going to be picking a winner. Okay, 2 winners, actually. And also, I want to say that unless you hear it in the video, a video of mine, where there's no way anybody could have control over it but me, you didn't win, okay? It has to come from a video here on YouTube, my video, and then you'll know. So there we go. And I want you to know that you're the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not feeling blessed, all you got to do to feel blessed is just go be a blessing to somebody else and watch how that makes you feel inside. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Oh gosh, I got that caught in the microphone. Lisa Eldridge is like my muse. No, my muse? What? I wonder if she knows that. Lisa Eldridge is my muse. So you can see that they're nothing alike. Okay.
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri, shut up. You're always doing this to me. My hair's so crazy today, right? So crazy. It's so crazy. Wild thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. No, you don't. Look at this mess. I can wear my Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing on, but I made you look. I made you look.